Okay guys. Nah, think I'm gonna flip and show. Okay. Stop. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you what the real how to get the any years old. Every years old. Okay. You can be 9, you can be 7, anything. You have to do this. Yes, everyone. Ignore that. May 30. Okay, guys. I am 21 years old. Okay. I'm just 7. And go. You can do your ID, your driver license. If you do that, go to here. Go to application. Pick voice chat. If it's on, if blue, you are doing it. That is the real way. Yay!